If you have not seen our Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 full review video from yesterday, make sure you do. But first watch this video. We're gonna do a Q&A session because we got lots of questions on that video yesterday, didn't we?
Huge question.
Yes, there is some stuff we didn't review, some stuff we did review, so we wanna get right into this. Jens here from Also Space.
Toni the car geek.
If you're new to our channel, we do tech reviews and more, but mainly tech reviews. So, first question comes from Andreas.
What if you're a student? What if you are taking notes, consuming media, sketching, project editing, etc.? I did a lot of things at once. I noticed no lag, I noticed no struggles, and it was actually a bit of a dream to work on.
Sounds great. Grizzly G, iPad Air latest version or Samsung Tab S6? Well, two different opinions here. I think it's the Tab S6 because the iPad Air is kind of backdated. The Tab S6 really feels modern. It's a dream to work on. Performance is good. Tab S6 is the one to go for, Grizzly G.
So the next question is from Tricercop. Can you put your hand on the display when you are writing? I get super frustrated at that. I do use the iPad Pro. I do get frustrated. Not one problem with the Samsung. Good. No matter which app I was in. I don't know what apps you use, but the apps I use, not one problem.
Perfect. Gordon Young, hey, just a question. When using the S Pen for notes, can you lean your hands on the display without affecting the application? Just
Absolutely, 100%.
Yes. Thierry Girard, the benchmark test you ran shows a Qualcomm processor. Where did you buy the tablet? Is it a European version? The answer is yes, it is a European version. We bought it in Spain, to be precise, in Marbella.
And Neshia asks, you are looking forward to getting yours, of course. Is it worth getting or upgrading to the 256 gigabyte version?
The answer is absolutely. 3 reasons. Reason number 1, you will get the 8 gigabyte of RAM version. Reason number 2 is that data these days fills up immensely quickly, crazy. Reason number 3 is if you look at the value per gigabyte and the price, you actually have a way and much better value with a higher storage option. There you have it. Let us know.
And Mohammed asks, does the sketch word through to typeface actually work?
Yeah.
Yes, it absolutely does. Done it today, did it yesterday, works perfectly.
It's just like on the Note S10, it works perfectly on the Galaxy Tab S6 also. Alexis Losoni, Apple Pencil 2 or S Pen, Samsung of Tab S6, which is better? Now there is a divide.
There is a divide.
A slight divide. I feel that the Galaxy Tab S6 S Pen works better when you do handwriting because it feels more natural in your hand. However, when you draw, I would go for the Apple Pencil. What's your opinion?
I would go with the Apple Pencil any time of day. I just find it better to handle and nicer to use.
I hope that helped. Marco Mando, is it IP rated or water resistant of any kind? I don't know. I don't really want to find out. Max Lux, I think your price is out by 80 euros for the LTE version, having checked Samsung France, Belgium, Luxembourg and Germany plus Amazon. He believes that 799 seems to be the generally acknowledged price for the Wi-Fi version only, not the LTE version. I checked pricing, we paid 799.90 to be precise here in Marbella for the 128 gigabyte LTE version. Maybe there was a mix-up along the way. In any event, we paid 80 euros less. I don't know why.
Maybe we were lucky.
Kobe,
where are you based?
We are based in
Munich, and we are currently in Spain.
Imran Mukadam, does it support Netflix 4K HDR? It supports, of course, Netflix. We watch Netflix day in, day out. We just don't show it on our review videos because I'm paranoid that we get copyright claims if we show TV shows or Netflix shows that are basically copyrighted. 4K HDR, no it doesn't because it's a 2K screen. Andre Lopez, run Fortnite in 60 FPS. I'm afraid it's a no. It only does 30 FPS. We did some testing with Fortnite and in any settings it just doesn't go higher than 30 FPS. That's it for now.
If you have any other questions, pop them in the comments below and watch our video from yesterday.
Coming up here.
And comment on there too.
Jens here from Also Space.
Toni the car geek.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.